This is a replica.
What is this, Pastor?
Relic, yeah.
Ancient sculptures.
Wow.
These are the ancient sculptures.
It's a concluding episode of Mahabharata.
Mahabharata.
Indian epic.
Because Taj Mahal also like this.
Mahabharata. Mahabharata is
Taj Mahal.
Yes, epic.
I mean, I'm Hindu.
Hindu.
You see, you take a look at the upstairs, the roofing. They used to say that this one is full of diamonds to help light this path before.
Diamond.
Diamond.
Could you explain again?
Yeah. Over the vast relics here is the history of the Mahabharata, epic, the longest epic in the world.
India din. India.
Parang mainit ah.
Naano lang tayo.
Na kanina pa tayo basa na perahan.
This is another entrance, and there is the other one, but we choose to go to the right. So what you see here is also the same on the other side.
Same replica.
Yeah, it's good, Pastor, that we go to the right because we want right.
Don't go to the wrong.
Yeah. What's this? Do not touch the carving. Do not touch the carvings. It might melt. Just kidding. I'm sorry,